What's up, bandits? So today is a pretty exciting day. It is currently 12:40 right now, and I'm about to go pick up some food, and I have two packages that are coming. Actually, no, I've got one package I've got to unbox, and I've got another package that comes today that I'll probably save till tomorrow or something like that. But what I'm gonna be reviewing today is something I've wanted to get for a while, and I think that it's gonna be pretty cool to have, especially summer coming up and taking the dogs to the lake or to dog parks or wherever we go. I thought this would be pretty cool. So something that I've always wanted to get was this right here. It's the GoPro Fetch harness, and it has the ability to have a GoPro on top and on the front. So as you know, we have two dogs. It would be kind of cool to get two of these to have both point of views, but I'm gonna start out with one and see how I like it. And so pretty much today, guys, I'm gonna be unboxing that. And then, as you know, or you might not know, let me just take this off real quick and I'll show you. And I just realized that whole time I was zoomed in, I really hope that that's not horrible. I might have to redo that clip. Might just roll with it, I don't know, it depends on how that looks. As you may or may not know, I use this tripod right here. It's one that I got from Best Buy, and it's decent. It was really okay for the 5000, the A5000. But the 6300 is a little bit heavier, plus I have the mic on top and stuff like that. And really, like, well, check this out, see if it'll do it. Okay, it's staying pretty sturdy right now. Well, there you go, you can kind of see. See, it bends like pretty easy. It's not a bad tripod, like I said, but with the weight of the 6300 on there, it's just not that great. So, actually coming in the mail today, I do have the Joby, I guess that's how you say it, Joby, I think that's how you say it. So that should be here today, the Joby tripod, and that's a whole lot more sturdy, and I'll be able to hold it. It's the one that Casey Neistat and a lot of people use. So that's gonna be kind of nice. I wanted a good tripod to have, something that's really sturdy that I can use when we go on vacation like this August. I believe we're going to California, so I wanted something that's a little bit better than this thing. Was like, I don't know, man, 20 bucks or something like that at Best Buy maybe. The Joby was like, I want to say it was like 50 or 60, something like that. Anyways, guys, I'm not going to delay too much longer. I just wanted to say what's up, and I'm going to go pick up some food real quick, come back, unbox this, and then that'll be it. So, guys, thank y'all for tuning in. See y'all here in a little bit. I just saw the UPS guy over there, and I think he's bringing my package, but he stopped to get food. Here's the mail lady. Maybe she brought it, I don't know. We'll see. Alright, guys, so just got back from getting something to eat. I'm going to go ahead and unbox this thing for you. Super excited about this, man. I think it's going to be pretty cool. Both my dogs are pretty crazy, but my one dog, Moxie, she absolutely goes nuts when we go outside. I think I'll scoot y'all back just a little bit and just kind of get a review like this. I know the mail person came. Let me go see if my other tripod came in. Alright, so what do you know? Golly. That's alright. I'll use this one for now. I'll do this unboxing later. Okay, so I'm gonna use this tripod for now. Hopefully y'all can see good. Just in case that first clip was messed up, this is the GoPro dog harness Fetch dog harness, if you want to say it like that. I got this from Best Buy yesterday. It's gonna be pretty cool, I think, to have. This is good for dogs from 20 pounds to 120 pounds or 9 to 54 kilograms if you do that sort of weight, whatever. One of our dogs, actually, dude, she like loves to chase frisbees and run wild like crazy nuts. So I'm gonna put probably 2 GoPros on this harness. I'm gonna unbox this first and I'll get the GoPros. So as soon as you open this thing, you see the harness, which looks pretty nice. Whenever I first got it, I thought it was just gonna be like black straps like this right here, this material with the little hook on it or whatever. Let's take this all out. This whole thing slides, which is cool. this off. That's what I was talking about. I didn't know that it came with this actual pad, which is really nice because it won't, I don't think it's gonna irritate the dog, which will be cool. So that's gonna be nice for them. So right away, of course, I mean, it's GoPro, it's gonna be good quality. You get a little string thing, which I'm not sure, that might be for, I think this is for hooking this thing, possibly. I think that you're able to hook that in there to where just in case it comes loose, you won't lose it. Or maybe you hook the camera to, I can't remember how that works. I think you can hook the camera to this other, it's got a harness, I guess this is for the back. So it's gonna go on the back of the dog like that. And this you can loosen up and it'll go on the front of the dog. So you have 2 points that you can mount the GoPros. And this little thing right here, if you're not accustomed to how GoPro mounts work, and then the GoPro mounts right here. And let me show you real quick. So luckily for me, I have about 30 of these little pieces. So I'll be able to put one on the front and on top. I'm sure all y'all know how GoPros work, but just in case, the GoPro is gonna go like this, and then that slides in here. Now you get a good point of view of what the dog's doing. I think that's gonna be a hilarious shot. Our dog has some big ears, man. So here's our dog. She has huge ears, so I think it's gonna be hilarious to see these big old ears flopping behind this camera and just see her point of view running. That's all I could think about whenever I was buying this thing. So yeah, guys, if you have a dog, if your dog is very energetic and likes to play fetch, or just loves to run at the beach and stuff like that, I think this is awesome to have. Like if you go to the beach, this will be perfect to like throw the ball. It can go out in the water. Obviously it's got like this rubber material on the bottom, so it's not gonna irritate the dog, and I'm pretty sure that it can get wet. I don't see why it couldn't get wet. It's pretty flexible, so that's good. It's gonna move with the dog's body. It's not gonna be stiff and make her feel weird, because our dogs are weird about that kind of stuff. You put a shirt on them and they like stiffen up and freak out. I think she'll like this. Okay, so here's our 2 dogs. Moxie's the one that I think I'm gonna put it on, because like I said, those big old ears, man, that's gonna be hilarious. All right, guys, so it was super easy to strap this back part. Literally this strap right here goes around the dog and then hooks on to here. It's a little bitty like J hook, which is super easy. What do you think, baby girl? Is it pretty comfy? It's not too bad, huh? It's not too bad. Let me see the front. So there you can see the front. All right, guys, so you can see the mount's just on the front like that. Or there's one on the bottom right here. She is tripping a little bit. Let's see if she'll go outside. Come on, let's go outside, baby. Go outside. You ready? Let's go. Sit, sit, sit. You ready? You ready? Go get it. Oh, there we go. She's going for it now. Final thoughts. You like it? You like it? Alright guys, thank y'all for watching. I'm trying to get this last shot, and I'm gonna do a review on the other tripod, the Joby tripod. I think that's gonna be awesome to finally have a tripod that I can hold on to that's really sturdy. I don't have to worry about it falling over. Like my camera literally just fell over earlier. Luckily I have a rubber case around it. But anyways guys, thank y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all. And if you were wondering at the beginning of the video why I called y'all the Bandits, that's because one of my friends came up with that name for y'all, because my channel is Ban the Man. I was trying to come up with a like channel name, so Bandits I think is pretty cool. Maybe I can come out with some merch. I was thinking of a guy's face that has like a bandana on it with some sort of hat or something, I don't know. But if you have any ideas, or if you're like a graphic designer and you think that you can come up with something for the channel, then shoot me an email at bantheman600@yahoo.com. Let me see your ideas, what you think. What's a good, I don't know, maybe a different banner for my YouTube channel, or if you have like a logo idea, something like that, just let me know. But alright guys, I'm gonna get this GoPro on her and see if I can't get that last shot. Thank y'all for watching, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.